Mic check 1 2 1 2. Hello everyone, good morning. How was everyone's day yesterday? Mine was fucking red. Yeah guys, I did some nice trading in the morning, and then me and Will were continuing to overtrade and fight the trend. So yesterday I lost 11K in one account, in 2,000 the other account. Light work. I'm about to get it back right now. So, but it just shows. Goes for show. It doesn't matter how skilled you are. It doesn't matter how much money you have. If you overtrade, you're gonna get back your profits. Okay, it's gonna happen. Will made 30 grand yesterday. Lost, or 2 days ago, lost it all back in one day, one single day, right? I lost my profit from last week, like half my profit from last week. So it doesn't matter how skilled you are, how talented you are, how much money you have. If you overtrade and you fight the trend, you will lose money. Okay? So we do not want to do that again. I entered good plays. I just was too over leveraged and shitty contracts. Not shitty contracts, but like not as good of contracts. I was playing for our level at 407, our key level today, 407.69. We broke through that, did not retest it. That's what I was playing for, and you could see how fast I lost money on this slow climb up. But oh yeah, I didn't lose 11 grand. I lost like 6,500. Let me just check quick. Yeah, I lost around 6,500. I was down 11K, but I bought calls. I forgot I sold them pre-market. Anyways, day's done. Yesterday's done. Today's a new day. I'm looking for calls. Bitcoin's ripping. I'm looking for calls at the moment, just so we're all on the same page. Key levels have been posted. Key levels are 405.69 and 407.60 something. 68. We're in between our channels right now. We're in between what's it called? Two key levels, okay? We're in no man's land. So we're going to wait for our key levels to hit, and that's what we're going to do. Oh, Jesus Christ, I was on mute this entire time. No, my mic's on, but my Discord was muted. Jesus Christ. Okay. Oh, my God. Anyways, I said something really nice to everyone, okay? I'm not fucking repeating myself. You can click the YouTube video in the last 5-6 minutes. Go review everything I just said. But yeah, I was just saying, everyone, we're in between two levels right now. I'm looking for calls. Our key level 407.69 and 405.69. Those are my levels at the moment. Yesterday, I did well in the morning, and then I ended up red yesterday, guys, on both my accounts. Unfortunately, I entered in to the retest of our key level 407.69, and you can tell I just got smoked, and then it hit it after hours. But I was down 11K on the day, and then I swung calls, and then during this pump I sold it, and so I only ended down the day 6 grand. My small account, I was down 2,100. It's unfortunate because they were good plays. And it didn't happen till close. You see how like we will always hit it no matter what. If we break a key resistance, we're gonna hit it. And it was this just goes to show, guys, it doesn't matter how good of a trader you are and how much money you have. Over trading, you can kill your weekly profits, right? The other, like 2 days ago, Will made 30 grand. The next day, he lost 30 grand. Okay? I lost pretty much half of last week on my trading account. Like I just think about it like I sat on my computer for 5 days straight, or for 3 days, and lost my gains in one day from having successful 3 days. We don't want to do that. Self discipline. You have to be disciplined. You cannot overtrade. Like I said, I started the morning off hot. Like we were good. I was good in the morning. And then I waited for the best setup to happen. I entered and it was just a slow bleed and I got screwed in. I got screwed. This candle here, it ran back up. We ended low and then this green candle went lower and then I went back even. And this candle, I went up the money and then tanked. And this candle, I went to even again, which would still made me hold. And then this massive sell-off I lost in on both accounts. So I lost 6 grand plus 2 grand in my small account. But it happens, guys. I wasn't just like stupidly buying. There was a reason for my madness, but it was stupid of me because we were clearly in a downtrend, okay? And we were clearly in a sell-off. Money was not coming into the market, and I had my third red day of the year, so it's okay. I'm not concerned. It just is very unfortunate. And there's no one to blame, guys. I don't want anyone blaming Will. I don't want anyone blaming me. If you entered a play, that's on yourself, okay? I don't want anyone to blame Will for following his trades because you should never be just blindly following people, okay? When you follow me, I'm giving you a verbal explanation of why we're taking the trade, where we want to buy, where we want to add, and where we want to sell. Okay, so it's okay. You're allowed to follow my trades because I'm telling you this is what I'm looking for. This is where I want to buy. This is where I want to add, and this is where I'm gonna sell. Okay. Yeah. Yesterday's over and done with. Yeah, it is. But there's no play right now. We're in the middle of two key levels, guys. But it was just a very important lesson for everyone to not overtrade and just take random callouts. But if you did well yesterday, I'm happy for you. If you lost money, don't worry about it. We're about to get it back, okay? And sorry for my rant, okay? I apologize. Just trying to lift people's spirits up. There's no trade right now. That's the only reason why I'm talking. But yeah, I'll shut up now. Calvinator, I'm waiting for a play. I'm waiting for a key level. We're in between two of them. So I'm today I'm more bullish, of course, looking at Bitcoin. Okay, but we'll see how it goes. We're waiting for our key levels to hit. We could go to 405 before we go to 407. We're literally $1 away from each of them at this level. We're dead center middle range. We have to wait. Microsoft's up 7%. Holy shit. That was a nice win. I really want calls right now. I really, really want to buy calls. It goes against my strategy though, so I'm gonna hold off. You know what? My stotch is starting to curl upwards. But this can easily just hit 20. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, guys. Let me know if anyone's looking at anything else. Yeah, same with Bitcoin just trying. I'm thinking the same way right now. I don't know why this SPY's very weak. They're gonna fake people out. SPY looks bearish as heck right now. Yeah, more gravy for sure, for sure. And if I don't call out plays in this chat, like just know it's not the best setup at the best price. And don't just blindly follow me either without explanation. Okay, if we hit VWAP, I think I'm gonna get into a start a call position right now. I'm gonna do May 5th, 407. Hold on. May 5th, 407 calls. I'm getting in May 5th, 407 calls. I'm gonna end it if we go lower than that candle. Okay. I'm in. This is not the best setup at the best price. This is more of a YOLO trade, guys. Just know that, please. But we broke through the EMAs. We came back down. My stotch is about to curl up. So I'm just, it's pretty much a YOLO trade. And if I have a small position in, so don't trip out. My average cost is $5 flat, 407 May 5th. My stop loss is going to be 406.50s. And I only have a small position size right now. The only reason why I'm taking this trade is because things look like they're lining up to do a run, but we may get faked out first and we may go lower. So that's why I just have a small position. Bitcoin ran, uh, Microsoft, everything is pretty high right now. So if we go any lower, I'm just gonna cut it. I have very safe contracts with a tiny position size, so that was probably one of the best spots to add, to be honest, at that safe bottom. But okay, guys, I added more contracts to a 406.51 just because I didn't have a lot in, just to see if we get an uptick, because this is pre-market support. We bounced off here twice, so I'm taking a gamble here. But don't worry, this is not the best setup at the best price. This could be it's not for everyone. This trade's not for everyone. But I'm just looking at it like we bounced off here multiple times, so I'm taking the gamble here. I'm watching how we react to VWAP. We either turn down here and go lower, or we're going to go a lot higher. It was one or the other at this exact spot. I'm going to have a tight stop on. Okay, guys, I'm out. I'm out of that. I thought it would be a bigger play. It's not. Okay, so the reason why I took that trade, if you saw how we were reacting to the VWAP, I bought where I'm supposed to buy, and it just looked weak. So next play. This play still might work. You may get fooled out, but risk to reward's not worth it. And I would have sold, but I wasn't even like at the top, but I wasn't even up like 10 cents on it. So I was waiting to see for like a little bit of a bigger move, which we did not get. And I may get faked out right here. I'm okay with that. we'll just enter it at the key level. But if you were in calls, this is the best spot. But there's like $1 downside. Good job, Chief. What'd you get? Puts or calls? Oh, nice. So that play I made $130. Wasn't the best. It's okay. Green is green. Green is green. I did very safe contracts, so the puts that go out the money to in the money, like 407 or 407 puts in the 406. As soon as it goes to 407, they start printing a little bit more, and then as soon as it breaks out of 407 to 408, prints even more. Yeah, good job. Good job just trying. I didn't make that much on that. And I saw Microsoft coming down. I saw Bitcoin coming down a little. Well, I don't even know what the hell I was looking at. I just got shook, if I'm being honest. This is why I don't like buying not at key levels, because you can get shaken out because you don't know where to buy, right? You don't know if you have a good entry or a horrible entry, because it could still go to your bottom key level, which was $1 away. So you had to play this very, very close. No, I'm not liking it. I sold too. I don't like it. So we'll just wait. Dude, I made $130 off 20K. So story of my life. And we all know what's gonna happen. It was gonna be the best spot to buy for the entire freaking day. you know, you know how my fucking callouts are. Fucking bottom tick. I guarantee. Watch this. Bought the bottom spy, and my paper hand sold. No, I know Jim's holding calls. That's why I wanted calls too. But we'll wait for our key level. I'm cool. See, when you're buying in middle ground, and you can anything could happen. We can go to 407.69 first, or we can go to 405.85 first, right? This is why it's like there's no good entry right now. There is no good entry. You can get faked out. You could have bought the VWAP and got faked out twice. You know what I mean? Like it's very hard to time. So I prefer to sit out, and I'm okay with that. Yeah, exactly. Just trying me too, bro. That's why it's like you don't need to hold. You need to get green. Every trade you enter, just try to get a little green, little green, little green. And before you know it, those add up. You don't kind of guess the whole trend. That's my strategy. I get in, I get out, I get in, get out. I do not care what's gonna happen. My October puts have been sold, Chief. Those have been sold. Um, you can ask Edward. I'm pretty sure Edward's still holding it. The last time I checked, I bought them at 450 or 15. No, what was it? Yeah, 15 something. And when I looked at it yesterday, they're only at 18 at the low. So it's like those things didn't move that fucking well. Like, obviously it's still a decent sized move, but yeah, I should have bought and held 415, like I said. But it's hard, man. When you're going in with your like a big majority of your account, especially when it comes to options, options go to zero. So if you're wrong, even though you have time, you never know. So no, I'm not buying Carter. I'm not gonna get any stocks right now. Options are more lucrative. See, look at this. This is why we only play key levels, guys, because you, as well as myself, thought this was gonna run, right? And you see how it just ate it. FRC, I heard they're selling their stocks, buddy, for a loss. So no, that's no, hell no. This is not a buy. Remember, this could be a falling knife. You may not get the bottom. And the gaps are filled. The next gap is at. Wow, what the hell? This chart looks weird as hell. Yeah, I don't know. Don't ask me about that stuff. I don't pay attention to it, so I don't want any of you to lose money. I don't follow stocks, but it's just like options. Usually when you bet against the trend wins, right? If it's in a downtrend falling off a cliff, maybe no, it's fine. It's fine. Ask the questions. I didn't see a question mark on the bottom. My bad. Yeah, guys, it's just like yesterday. Do you see how Spy kept falling off a cliff, and then we were playing calls? That's like the same thing of buying a stock after it takes a massive hit. But it could do a big bounce, a big double up. Who knows? All I know is that Spy is freaking bullshit right now. Like, we're in the same range. Tesla's tanking. Ooh. Still has $57 left for me to throw in some moolah. As soon as if I see Tesla like sub 100, I'm gonna buy 1,000 shares and just leave it. That's my plan. Good job, Chief. See, Chief, did you see how you went against your gut and you made 6%, and then you probably went down 10% just to be up 10% at the same level or at this level? This is why I snipe, right? I don't want to go up 6% and then go down 10%. Yeah, just quick snipes, man. You go up 6%. Woo! Sell that thing, boy. Fuck 100%. Screw that shit. We'll get more. Get it. I don't always lose money, but when I do, the next day, sit freaking range trades all bloody day. Hopefully, we get some movement soon, guys. Yeah, good catch, Calvinator. Good fucking catch, buddy. I didn't put that on. What is it? 40608. Yeah, it's probably. It looks like that's what we're gonna maybe gravitate towards. The 1 minute chart, it kind of looked like a W. Yeah, this is super choppy. I'm seeing a lot of like bottom wicks down here, which makes me feel like we should run up. But I have a feeling everyone thinks SPY's gonna run up because of everything else is ripping, right? Sometimes you gotta outsmart everyone. Man, this price action looks horrible. If I'm being completely honest, this looks like it should be. It's gonna go down. It's giving me the down vibes. I'm hoping not. I really want this to go up, but we'll see how it does. Yeah, I'm feeling the same way, Syntax. I think this may go to previous close first. It's looking like a Head and Shoulders too. It looks like Spider looks like it's like too weak to even run right now. I don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, I don't even know, Scourge. I'm not sure, buddy, because if we have no buying pressure up here, why would we buy calls the lower it drops, right? That's just how I'm thinking. Yeah, usually when it's low volume, bears usually win for the most part on low volume. Okay, guys, I'm getting ready for calls at our key level. My key level is 405.69. But I'm going to add a starter. I'm back in 407 calls for May 5th. Just a starter position. 405.69 is the ad. And if we see previous close turn into resistance as an automatic cut, no ad, just cut. Okay, I'm in calls. I don't know how good this is going to be, so keep that in mind. And I'll probably cut this at 405 405.69 or even a retest of 406. But I'm only, this looks like shit. There's no volume. I'm only doing it because we are at a key level, and you know I always play my key levels, and I bought under the key level. So sometimes fuckery shit just happens and it doesn't even go up. So we broke through previous close and 2 of our key levels. That's the reason why I'm in calls here, because I play all my key levels. If this makes a new low, I'm out. If this goes under 405.31, I'm out. Don't ask me. I'm cutting it. This is the best entry. This is where you're supposed to buy for our channel. If we don't respect the channel, then we're going lower. So it's okay. Dimitri was on the same page as me. 407 or 405.70s. And I have the same key level as him, within like 10 cents of each other. So that's what I'm playing. If you don't want to take it, don't worry about it. And our next key level is 405. There's there's zero buying power today, so I won't be looking to get calls at the key levels until we start seeing some buying pressure. It's unfortunate, but that's what it's that's just how the chart's looking right now. Very, very weak. Hopefully we can start bottom soon. Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin's dropping a little. Microsoft, it's floating. It's only like there's a lot of selling pressure on Tesla. That's what I'm seeing so far. Everything else doesn't even look that bad. We didn't retest previous close. We may not, but I'm going to be looking for puts at that level of 406.08. For this to go bullish, we need to see like quick big green bars, like people buying. Because for right now, there's not a lot of buying pressure. So we don't want to do what we did yesterday and we just keep trying calls. You need to wait for the confirmation. That's all. Is it? Did Will just get in calls? Keep in mind, we are coming up to the 4-hour 200 EMA. We're gravitating towards the 4-hour 200 EMA, which is at 404.72. Which means we're most likely gonna hit it, to be honest. Which is kind of strange because one sec. The 4-hour 200 EMA is a big a bounce area, but it doesn't. It goes under it. No, where was that line? This is our key level right now. I'm looking to see how we react. This may be a put right here. I really want to see previous close, because we did a bunch of this fake out shit yesterday. So We right now we are at a point where we could flip bullish. Okay, don't sleep. Do not sleep. My starter puts. I just sold. I'm on my calls. I just sold out my calls. Just as soon as we broke above the key level. See that we're in a finicky area right now. Like this could be the bottom, and we could just start do a nice, beautiful bounce, or you have to sell here, and we're going back to the lows. And also, we're at a level where I don't even want to fucking enter puts. I don't trust these levels. Like, we're so low right now, I don't want to enter puts. But I'm going to because I said I was. I just sniped same day puts 406. I clicked at previous close. So I'm gonna sell if it goes a little above it. But the thing is, we bounced off the support, right? That's why puts are they're pretty dangerous at this level, especially when we did such a big bounce and we've dropped so much. You just don't know buying pressure is going to start coming back or not. Okay, I sold my puts for 12-cent win. Oh, I sold the bottom. Jeez. Good job, SB. Good job. But just remember, guys, like we have been trading all calls get shorted. My only issue is that we bounce off such a nice support at 405. Okay. Um, this is a place where we could start flipping bullish and people start buying again, or this could just be a dead cat bounce and we're gonna tank right now. right? I'm not sure, so I don't want to call out a play to you guys at these levels. Um, there's been no buying pressure. This is the first buying pressure we've had in the last 2 days. Okay, some like nice thick bars. So that's what I'm waiting for. Once we go above previous close, I will be interested in calls. Just so we are all on the same page. You get me, guys. Syntax, if you see another play like that, just DM me so I can see it faster. I don't look at my phone that often. What a stupid, shitty day. I'm so angry right now. Come on, man. You get me. This is where we bought calls before, and we're using it as support. We came back, retested it, and so far we're using it as support. I knew I should have bought that. But remember, we wait for the 5-minute candle to end. Because there's a lot of fake outs. This is when they get like trap a lot. They'll trap freaking bulls. People think, oh shit, it's done. It's done. And it could be another just fucking bloodbath. Or pretty much what I'm trying to say is I hope you guys take this for what it is, but today we're either gonna go up or down. That's what I think. I think we're gonna go up or down for sure today. No one got my sarcastic joke. All right, fuck me, right? Yeah, 10 years of trading stocks took me, and I learned that in this moment in time right now, the way SPY is trading is going up or down. It's what it is. Fuck, man. I want calls. I want to buy calls. We're just under previous close. I'll be super super bullish as soon as we break previous close, guys. If we go back green, I'm going to be super bullish. Like we rejected the 9 on the 5-minute time frame, but we're holding support at our key level. So we have to we need confirmation for calls. Okay, entering calls all day today in the last 2 days was stupid because it just got shorted. So let's get some confirmation. Let's go green, and then we should be good because a lot of bears could be trapped by then. But this could still be a massive bull trap, guys. People thinking, oh, we bought him 405, and I could see another massive sell off. I've seen it happen before when it's just a complete fake out. Guys, I'm sniping same day puts at 98 cents, 406, and then I'm just gonna see where that goes. It's not the best setup. I feel like this is gonna push bullish, but I'm staying with the trend and shorting the rip. That can easily go wrong. Okay, I'm all out of puts. This is just a quick snipe. It's probably going lower. I got 8 cents on that, same days. I got 98 cents to 106. No, I bought puts. I bought puts. I was just sniping. Guys. Not gonna lie, I just had calls on my screen, 407 calls. I was just about to buy. But it's too much chop, guys. There's nothing good right now. I apologize. Oh, what a boring live stream. Last couple days. I'm sorry, guys. I know you guys didn't pay for this stupid shit, but there's nothing good right now. I'm more bullish. I'm extremely bullish, guys. I just hope I don't get faked out, but I'm bullish. Yeah, exactly. Like, not even that. My small account's getting beaten, so like, I'm just making sure. I'm sick of taking like $100, $200, $300, $400 L's. Right? It's getting fucking annoying. But it happens. This is a part of trading, guys. Sometimes this is going to happen, and it's just shitty time to trade. The charts are shitty, and a lot of the times we have the best levels to get in, and we bank. Right? These last 2 days have been shit. I still went green today and yesterday, and barely even. Good job, Carter. Keep banking, bruh. Okay, I'm going to try this one more time. I'm buying calls at my key level, 405.69. I'm buying calls. And if we lose, fuck it. Like, there's only so much I can do. Okay, guys, I bought 405 calls, 566. This may be stupid. I'm trying to outsmart the market. It may be stupid. It may be correct. Me not care. Well, it was fucking smart, I'll tell you that much. Pump it up. Pump it up. I just sold. I'm out on my calls. Wow, that was the luckiest fucking click I've ever done in my entire life. That was lucky. I only hit that with 10 contracts on my small account, still made 200, so tis what it is. Safe contracts. I was doing a starter position. I really wanted to add at my key level, but something told me it may not do it, and it didn't do it. I know that was fast, but did anyone in here get that? That was like very quickly. I don't expect you to. Let me know if anyone caught that though. You see how some plays they look like shit and they're meant to be a snipe, and some of them end up just being like a banger play. You're still holding? Okay, be careful. Be careful holding this shit. Just because we could reject from the V. This is a good put area, to be honest. At the 21, the VWAP and previous close is it's a wicked put. If we're bearish, it's exactly where you're supposed to put. That's the thing, Carter. No one's buying the fear. Money is not coming. Money is leaving the market, not going in. We need some confirmation. We're at previous close right now. Let's get See, that's why you sell. um, Previous close support, I'm getting calls. Don't even ask me. I'm holding down calls. It's not for us buying the fear. We usually do buy the fear, Carter. It's more the fact of big money's not buying the fear. They're selling. They're continuously selling. Everyone's selling right now. The market's starting to get extremely bearish. Remember, nothing just goes straight up and nothing goes straight down. Okay, so I do see some good side upside potential before we crack 400. Okay, that's why I'm getting May 5th calls and stuff. That's why I'm playing it extra safe, because I want to be able to hold. But the reason why I didn't hold this contract is because I knew it would just be a snipe. We didn't go high enough. And I would not be surprised if this thing just sells the hell off right now. Right back to freaking 405. It wouldn't surprise me at all. Yeah, May 5th is extra safe, but I'm going all in on these plays. For the most part. I'm buying like 20, 30 contracts in my small account and 100-ish contracts on my big account. It's just like the unnecessary amount of money, right? So when you're like, you buy a call and it doesn't matter how safe it is, like the contracts still move, right? Every 10 cents is $100, $200, and that shit adds up when you can just keep getting it wrong and wrong and wrong. Before you know it, you're down $1,000 with good stop losses, right? That's what I'm trying not to do. I'm trying to pick and choose my best plays. Previous support, close is still not support. Once it's support, I'm getting calls. The EMAs are so bunched up right now, usually means it's bearish, though. Yo, I think we should get puts. I think we should get puts. I really think we should get puts. I really, 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 really think we should get puts. We could be getting faked out though, okay? I'm doing May 5th, 406 puts. I'm not in it yet. I'm waiting to see to this candle close. Remember, I wait to see for the 5-minute candle to close so I do not get faked out from a 5-minute candle. I'm checking the 30. Okay, guys, I have a starter position for puts just because we're at the 21 EMA. It's not the smartest thing to do. I want to see previous close support, but I have a starter position for May 5th, 406 puts. Actually, don't take it. 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 405 or 406 is already support. I'm holding this. I'm waiting to see how we react. Doing a tight stop. I'm not risking a lot. But yeah, 406 is support. So I'm just going to see the next candle. That's what I'm waiting for. If we are to stay extremely bearish, we fall here. If we continue to be bullish, we go up and we're fine. Okay. Just so we are all. Oops. We're just clear. It's just a double rejection from the 21. We could end up running from here. So. Okay, 21's acting as support right now. This is the type of play where you're playing with the trend, the last 2-day trend, and if we get stopped out, the trend is most likely has changed. Okay, so it's okay. I'm going to take the risk for you guys. Don't worry, but no small account should be putting this right now, in my opinion. Usually, when we are above previous support, we're looking for calls. Do. Let's see. We're just waiting to see. Fuck, a previous close touch would be beautiful. But we will see. What's everyone else doing? This should be like a wicked place to snipe puts at, right here. But like I said, we bounced off a major key level. This could flip extremely bullish without a pullback. So you also have to keep that in mind. All right, next dip. Next dip, I'm getting calls. Excuse me. Next dip, I'm gonna get calls. So right now we're looking bullish, guys. We just need a pullback to buy. That's it. Um, you want to see how it reacts on the next pullback because we either sell off big or we're holding support and we go higher. Okay, that's what I'm looking for for entering calls. I'm not gonna just blindly buy a call. We got to see how we bounce. This could be like a couple of, like an hour-ish play, to really see how the chart develops at these levels. So just keep that in mind. Obviously, we just flipped bullish right now. Okay, like that's a no-brainer. No, PVC previous closing price has not officially retested, but we're fucking looking strong right now. Previous closing price is 406.08, buddy. And sorry for being quiet today, guys. I need support for me to buy a call, and I need a pullback. I'm not buying calls on this rip in this bearish market. I need confirmation first. So hopefully we get a nice pullback here. And now we get to test on the pullback of how we react, how we bounce. Okay? There's, after having a bloody day like the last 2 days, now we're able to see if this is a real bounce or it was just a trap and we go lower. So all we're trying to do right now is to test the charts out. Okay? That's it. We're just waiting. And we're holding the 100 EMA at the moment, or the 100 MA at the moment. It's holding up. So we just gotta wait to see, guys. There's not really too much. I'm just gonna end this YouTube live stream quick. If you're on YouTube, I'll be live on the voice chat, guys, in the Discord. I'm just gonna end this.